So we're ready to pour this in our machine. See, even the tea kind of, see how it gave it that nice little kind of off-white color? It's pretty good. I don't really think we need any additional food coloring here. We want to get the rest of what we got in here. I'm not too concerned with the tea if I don't get all the tea leaves, because there's a lot in there. Sometimes if you got a product that doesn't have a lot of particulates, you want to make sure you get them all, but I think we got enough tea leaves in there. All right, so we are ready to rock. I'm going to set my timer to 8 minutes. Turn our dasher on. Turn our refrigeration on. We have a multi-speed motor here. It goes to 130 all the way up to 230. I'm going to set it right in the middle, in the 180s. Yeah, right about 180, right? What that motor does, what you're getting is multi-speed capacity on the motor. Lower speeds, lower overrun, higher speeds. We use when we're extracting product, we can get higher overrun products. So the nice part about this batch machine is it can make Italian ice, it can make gelato, it can make ice creams, high overrun, low overrun, it can make novelties, one after another. We're in the Northeast where all these products are prominent. Other parts of the country are not selling Italian ice. Well, when we developed the batch machine, we need to develop one that can do all those products, one after another, and that's why we developed this. This feature allows you to go back and forth, make different types of products, different consistencies of products, different densities of products right after another, and it helps infuse some science into the art of making ice cream. So we'll let this cook.